Welcome to e-Semplice Hub, where music theory is simplified. This is a grades 1 to 3 question, scale degrees, stroke technical names. For grades 1 and 2, the question can come this simple, but for grade 3, we'll need to take it a step higher. What degree of the scale are the notes labeled A to F? The key is G major. You are expected to give the degree of each of these notes, and you write the answers on the blank lines provided. How do you go about this? The key is G major. What you do is that you write out the letters in G major, that is the notes in G major. So you do G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Remember, in G major, there is F sharp. Now, the next thing you do is you number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now, these numbers are the degrees of the scale of G major. So all you need to do, go back to the question, read a note, that is the letter name of the note, come to the G major scale and write the number that is under it, because the number of that note is the degree of that note. Now, let's start. Note A here, the note labeled A. If you look at it, this is letter B. All you need to do, come to this G major scale and look for B. You'll find that B has number 3 under it. That means that letter B is the third degree of G major. So you put third. We come to the note labeled B. Now that letter is A. Coming here, you see A is the second degree. So you put second. Now the note labeled C is F sharp. Remember, in G major, there is no F. What we have is F sharp. And the F sharp, you might want to ask, there is a sharp on F in the key signature. We have note C is F sharp. So coming here, F sharp is the 7th degree. So you put 7th. Next, we have the note labeled D, and that note is E. Come here, E is the 6th degree. So you put 6th here. Now, the note labeled E is letter C. Now, coming here, C is the 4th degree. And the last, the note labeled F, is actually G. Come here, you'll see that G is the 1st degree. So first. So that is how to answer a question like this if you find it in the exam. Actually, it cuts across the whole grades 1 to 3. You are likely to find a question like this. For grades 1 and 2, you can find it as a full question. For grade 3, you also need to know the technical names of these degrees. You are expected to know the technical name for the 3rd degree, the technical name for the 2nd degree, the technical name for the 7th degree. All these degrees have technical names. So for grade 3, I'm just going to write the answers. For A, the technical name for the 3rd degree is actually mediant. The 3rd degree is mediant. Now, note B, the 2nd degree, the technical name for the 2nd degree is supertonic. Supertonic. Then we go note C. Note C is the 7th degree. The 7th degree in a major scale is called leading notes. The 7th degree, leading notes. Then we have note D. Note D is the 6th degree. Now the 6th degree is called submediant. Submediant. Note E. Note E is 4th degree. The technical name for the 4th degree is subdominant. And our last note, the 1st degree of every scale is called the tonic. So if this were a grade 3 question and you are actually asked to give the technical names of these degrees, these are the answers. But for grades 1 and 2, you'll be asked to just write it this way. You may actually not be asked to write the technical name in grade 2, but grade 3, you surely need to know the technical names of the degrees of the scale. So on this note, we come to the end of this question.